Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about how to turn off camera click sound on iPhone step-by-step guide. Number 1. Use silent mode. For iPhones with a ring silent switch, for example iPhone 14 and earlier, flip the switch on the left side of your iPhone to the down position, orange visible to enable silent mode. For iPhones with an action button, for example iPhone 15 Pro and later, press and hold the action button to toggle silent mode. Alternatively, go to settings, action button and assign the silent mode function. Note, enabling silent mode will mute the camera shutter sound. Number 2. Enable live photos. Open the camera app, tap the live photo icon, concentric circles at the top of the screen to enable it. The icon turns yellow. Taking photos with live photos enabled suppresses the shutter sound. Note, live photos capture a few seconds of motion and sound, resulting in larger file sizes. Important. In some countries, for example Japan and South Korea, local regulations require the camera shutter sound to be always audible. Thanks for watching.